Hello everybody, this is MB Rebel about the sprocket, the 3/4 inch inner bore sprocket holder. Now this is made to fit onto the wide crank axle, the 3/4 with a keyway that's completely adjustable. Either way, so if you got fat tires, if you got a certain setup on this axle, that's how it, and then it locks with this keyway, but you can slide the keyway, you can slide everything over, then it locks with this nut here onto the axle. This sprocket holder, pedal sprocket holder, is designed to use all the sprockets that are from a one-piece crank, like a crank like this. So it's got the same center hole on this side, here we go, that it'll fit with 3 holes drilled in the sprocket. It'll fit any sprocket, your old sprocket from your skinny crank set. There you go, like that. And how I like to do this is I would take this sprocket, put it on my old one-piece crank sprocket, and make a mark with a Sharpie inside here that's in the center of these holes. And then you drill the 3 holes in your existing sprocket from your one-piece crank, and then you mount it on here with 3 bolts like this. Does this one look familiar? This is a Lucky 7. And you can put it either way on here. The 3 screws. And we sell pre-drilled sprockets with any tooth count. All kinds of different ones. There we go. We got this little small one. Depending on how low you want to put your motor. How low you want to do that. So okay, the sprocket is on here. And we got the keyway there. Oh, let's see here. And then you just slide this on, and it's adjustable left and right for real wide tires, and you tighten it down with this wrench. There you go. Fully adjustable side to side. Everything needs to be tightened here though, but you can see how this will move out, move in. You can also put 2 sprockets on here, weld them on, reduction drive, something with bearings, anything that has a 3/4 inner diameter. Bearings, locking collar, whatever you'd like to do with this axle. And this side as well. Reduction drive, CVT transmission, 3/4 inner bore the transmission would need. It's like a jack shaft, but it also moves your pedals. Could put a disc brake on here. Get a 3/4 locking collar, drill 6 holes in it, and put a disc brake right onto the pedal shaft. Whatever, it has many applications, you know, pretty much unlimited. Okay, thanks for watching.